Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial in Excel. In this video I'm going to create guide chart, which is also called speedometer or dial chart, which is mainly used to show a single value within the range of possible values, often for performance tracking or goal progress. To create our chart, we are going to need to define two different sets of values. So we're going to start with three main values, which are the minimum or low value, mid value, and high value. So all of them, they are going to be percentages, right? With no decimal numbers. So the low, it will be 25%, the mid, it will be from 25 to 75, and the high from 75 up to 100. So the sum of all the values needs to be 200, so I'm going to add 100 to get 200 in total. The second set, it will be the current value, the thickness of the arrow, and we'll have the difference. So same thing, the total here also needs to be the same value, 200%. The current value, let's start with 50%, and all of them, they have to be percentage, no decimal values. Let's say 50%, the thickness 5%, and here we have the difference. So 2 minus the current value and the thickness of the arrow. Okay, first we select our values in here, insert, and here we add Doughnut chart. Remove the title, we remove the legend, right click, format data series. So here we put 50%, and here we put 270%. We click on format, outline, no outline. So basically the second half, we put it as no fill. The minimum value, it will be red, the mid, it will be in yellow, and the highest value, it will be in green. Right, now we need to right click, select data, add. So basically we add here our second set of values. Okay, we click chart design, change the chart type, and for the second one we select pie. Okay, now we remove the outline, so click on format, no outline, right? Same thing for all of them. Okay, and when we format the chart, same thing, we select 270. For the blue one, we put no fill, the green one, same thing, and the arrow, it will be in black. Okay, so for example here we can add the label, right? So here we click on our label, right click, and here insert the field. So we choose the cell, and it will be the current value. Okay, remove the thickness, and we put it as blackboard, right? So here we get our gauge chart, and as you can see, if we change our value, it will automatically change on the chart. Same thing, if we decrease the thickness to 2%, for example, we can see the change directly on the chart. So 34, 95, etc. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching, and see you in next tutorial.